Dear students, today Algebraic Identity Chapter 4, Class 9th R.D. Sharma, Exercise 4.4. Remaining questions we will continue. Question number second, if x is equal to 3 and y is equal to -1, find the values of the following identity. Some identities are given, we have to find out their values by using x is equal to 3 and y is equal to -1. First we will simplify them by using the identity, then finally we can substitute x is equal to 1 and y is equal to x is equal to 3 and y is equal to -1. Question number second, part fourth, x upon 4 minus y upon 3 into x square upon 16 plus xy upon 12 plus y square upon 9. This we can write this first bracket as it is, x upon 4 minus y upon 3 as it is. In second bracket we can write this x square upon 16 as x upon 4 whole square plus this xy upon 12 can be written x upon 4 into y upon 3. It will become xy upon 12 plus this y square upon 9 can be written y upon 3 whole square. Now we can use the identity here. Since a cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. This identity we can apply here. A minus b into a square plus ab plus b square can be written a cube minus b cube. This is a square plus ab plus b square. And this is a minus b. So we can write this a cube. So x upon 4 whole cube minus b cube y upon 3 whole cube. Simplify this. X cube upon 4, 4 ja 16, 4 ja 64 minus y cube upon 3, 3 ja 9, 3 ja 27. Now we can substitute the values of x and y. Put x is equal to 3 and y is equal to -1. It is given in question. So substitute these values for the substitute these values. So which is equal to x cube 3 cube upon 64 minus y cube -1 whole cube upon 27, which is equal to 3 3 ja 9 3 ja 27 upon 64. This minus -1 cube -1 upon 27, which is equal to 27 upon 64 minus plus 1 upon 27. Take LCM of 64 and 27. We can take 64 into 27. 64 cancel. 27 into 27. 27 square plus 27 cancel. 64 into 1, which is equal to 27 square 729 plus 64 upon 64 into 27. 7 4 ja 28, 7 6 ja 42 plus 2 44, 2 4 ja 8, 2 6 ja 12, 8 8 plus 4 12, 6 1 7 1 1 7 2 8. This is 1728. Now add this numerator quantity. 9 plus 4 13, 6 1 7 plus 2 9, and this is 7. 793 upon 1728 is the required value of given. Question number second, last fifth part. 5 upon x plus 5x into 25 upon x square minus 25 plus 25x square. So we can write this 5 upon x as it is plus 5x as it is. In second bracket 25 upon x square can be written 5 upon x whole square minus this 25 can be written 5 upon x into 5x. This x will be cancelled, minus 25. And 25x square can be written 5x whole square. Now we can apply the identity, since a cube plus b cube, a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. Here a square minus ab plus b square into a plus b is equal to a cube plus b cube. A square 5 upon x square minus ab 5 upon x into 5x plus b square 5x square into a plus b. This we can write a cube plus b cube. A is equal to 5 upon x and b is equal to 5x. So which is equal to 5 upon x whole cube plus 5x whole cube, which is equal to 5 5s are 25, 5s are 125 x cube plus 125 x cube. Now we can substitute x is equal to 3 and y is equal to minus 1. It is given in question, x is equal to 3 and y is equal to minus 1. So here x only, so we can write this 125 x cube 3 cube plus 125 and x is 1, x is 3, so 3 cube. Y is not here, so no need to put y is equal to, which is equal to 125 upon 3 3 is 9 3 is 27 plus 125 into 3 3 is 9 3 is 27. Now multiply this 125 into upon 27 plus 125 into 27, 125 into 27, 7 5s are 35, 7 2s are 14 plus 3, 17, 7 1s are 7 1 8, 2 5s are 10, 2 2s are 4 1 5, 2 1s are 2, 5 7 8 plus 5 13, 2 1 3, 3 3 7 5. So this is 3375 upon, we can take 1. Now take LCM 27, dividing by 27, 1 into 125, 125 plus divide by 127 into this 3375 into 27, which is equal to 125 plus, multiply this 3375 by 27, 7 5s are 35, 5 3, 7 7s are 49 plus 3 52 2 5, 7 3s are 29 plus 5 26 6 2, 7 3s are 21 plus 2 23, and multiply by 2 5s are 10, 2 7s are 14 1 15, 2 3 are 6 1 7, 2 3s are 6, 5 2 6 plus 5 11, 3 7 10 1 11, 2 6 8 1 9, 91125. So this is 91125 upon 27. Add 125 here. 125, 5 plus 5 10, 4 1 5, 2 1 9, 91250. So this is 91250 upon 27. So this is the required value of given. Question number 3rd. If a plus b is equal to 10 and ab is equal to 16, find the value of a square minus ab plus b square. So write the given things. A plus b is equal to 10 and ab is equal to given 16. So we have to find out the value of a square minus ab plus b square is equal to question mark. So for finding this value, we can take this a plus b whole square, a square and b square here, so we can make squaring on both sides. So take this a plus b is equal to 10. It is given. So squaring on both sides, squaring on both the sides, a plus b whole square is equal to tan square. Apply the identity a plus b whole square, a square plus 2ab plus b square is equal to tan square 100. Here we got a square and b square, but we need minus ab, and here we have got 2ab. So we can do minus ab and plus ab. So write this a square minus ab and plus ab plus 2ab plus b square is equal to 100. If we are writing like this, then there is no difference. This minus ab plus ab cancelled, and 2ab again we will get a square plus 2ab plus b square. Why we did like this? Because we need minus ab here, so I subtracted minus ab and I added plus ab. So this two terms will be cancelled, and again we will get a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now we can add this to ab plus 2ab and write this three terms as it is: a square minus ab and plus b square, and plus ab plus 2ab 3 times ab, and is equal to 100. Now use the value of ab. Ab is given 16. So a square minus ab plus b square plus 3 into ab is given 16 is equal to 100, which implies a square minus ab plus b square multiplied by 16, 16 3s are 48 is equal to 100. So a square minus ab plus b square is equal to 100. Shift this 48 this side, minus 48. So a square minus ab plus b square is equal to 100 minus 4, 10 minus 8, 2, 9 minus 4, 5, 52. This is the required value of a square minus ab plus b square is equal to 52. Question number 4. If a plus b is equal to 8 and ab is equal to 6, find the value of a cube plus b cube. So here a plus b is equal to 8 given, ab is equal to 6 given, and we have to find out a cube plus b cube is equal to question mark. So for finding a cube plus b cube, direct we can take this a plus b is equal to 8 and we can cubing on both sides. Since a plus b is equal to 8, cubing on both the sides, so a plus b whole cube is equal to 8 cube. Open this by a plus b whole cube identity: a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b is equal to 8 cube. 8 8 ja 64, 64 into 8, 8 4 ja 32, 8 6 ja 48 plus 3 51, 512. So this is 512. Now a cube plus b cube as it is plus 3 into the value of ab is given 6, put 6, into a plus b is given 8, put 8, is equal to 512, which implies a cube plus b cube plus 3 6 ja 18, 18 8 ja 144 is equal to 512. Shift this 144 that side. A cube plus b cube is equal to 512 minus 144, which implies a cube plus b cube is equal to 12 minus 4 8, 10 minus 4 6, and this 4 minus 1 3. 368 is the required value of given. Question number 5. If a minus b is equal to 6 and ab is equal to 20, find the value of a cube minus b cube. So a minus b is equal to 6 given, ab is equal to 20 given. So we have to find out a cube minus b cube is equal to question mark. For finding a cube minus b cube, we can take this a minus b is equal to 6 and we can do cube on both sides. After cube on both sides, we will get the term a cube minus b cube. So since a minus b is equal to 6, cubing on both sides, cubing on both the sides, a minus b whole cube is equal to 6 cube. Open this by using a minus b whole cube identity. A cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b is equal to 6 6 are 36, 6 are 216, which implies a cube minus b cube minus 3. The value of ab is given 20. This is 20. The value of ab is 20. 20 into a minus b, the value of a minus b is 6, is equal to 216, which implies a cube minus b cube minus 3 2 ja 6 or 6 6 ja 36. 360 is equal to 216, which implies a cube minus b cube. Shift this minus 360 this side. 216 plus 360, after shifting change the sign, which implies a cube minus b cube is equal to 6 plus 0 6, 6 1 7, 3 plus 2 5. 576 is the required value of given. Question number 6. If x is equal to minus 2 and y is equal to 1, by using an identity, find the value of the following. Part first. 4y square minus 9x square into 16y raised to 4 plus 36x square y square plus 81x raised to 4. Its value we have to find out by using identity, and the values of x and y are given. So first we will solve this, and finally we can substitute x is equal to minus 2 and y is equal to 1. So this we can write 4y square minus 9x square as it is. In second bracket, 16y raised to 4 can be written 4y square whole square plus this 36x square y square can be written 4y square into 9x square. 4 9 is 36x square plus y square, and this 81x raised to 4 can be written 9x square whole square. 9 square 81, x square x raised to 4. Now we can apply the identity. Since a cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. This identity we can apply here. We can write this a cube minus b cube is equal to this a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. This is a minus b, a square plus ab plus b square. So a is equal to 4y square and b is equal to 9x square. So which is equal to 4y square whole cube minus 9x square whole cube, which is equal to 4 4 ja 16, 16 4 ja 64, y raised to the power 6 minus 9 9 ja 81, 81 into 9, 729 x raised to the power 6. Now we can substitute the values of x and y. Put x is equal to minus 2 and y is equal to 1. So which is equal to 64 y raised to the power 6, y1 raised to the power 6 minus 729 into x is minus 2 whole raised to the power 6. Simplify this. 64 y raised to 1 raised to the power 6 1 minus 729 minus 2 raised to the power 6 even power, so plus sign, and 2 2 ja 4 2 ja 8 2 ja 16 2 ja 32 into 264, 2 raised to the power 6 is 64. So 64 minus 729 into 64. 729 into 64. 4 9 ja 36. 4 2 ja 8 plus 3 11. 4 7 ja 28 129. 6 9 ja 54. 6 2 ja 12 plus 5 17. 6 7 ja 42 plus 1 43. 6 5 9 plus 7 16. 2 plus 3 5 1 6. 4 4 6 6 5 6. 4 6 6 5 6, and subtract the 64 from this. So minus, this is 64 minus 6 minus 4 2, borrow 1. 15 minus 6 9, this is 5 6 4, minus 4 6 5 9 2. So this is the required value of given, minus 46,592. Question number 6, part second. 2 upon x minus x upon 2 into 4 upon x square plus x square upon 4 plus 1. So this we can write 2 upon x minus x upon 2 as it is in first bracket. In second bracket, 4 upon x square can be written 2 upon x whole square plus x square upon 4 we can write 2 upon x into x upon 2 plus this x square upon 4 can be written x upon 2 whole square, and this plus 1 we can write this 2 upon x into x upon 2. This x will be cancelled and 2 will be cancelled. This cancelled, so we will get this one. Now we can apply the identity here. Since a cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. Here this is a minus b, a square plus b square plus ab. This we can write a cube minus b cube. A is equal to 2 upon 3, b is equal to x upon 2. So which is equal to x, which is equal to 2 upon x whole cube minus b cube x upon 2 whole cube. Simplify this, 2 to the 4 to the 8 upon x cube minus x cube upon 2 to the 4 to the 8. Now we can substitute the given values. Put x is equal to minus 2 and y is equal to 1. X is equal to minus 2 and y is equal to 1. It is given in question. So substitute this. 8 upon x is equal to minus 2 whole cube minus, here no y, so put the value of x minus 2 cube upon 8, which is equal to 8 upon minus cube minus 2 to the 4 to the 8 minus 2 cube minus 8 upon 8, which is equal to 8 cancelled, minus 1, this minus minus plus, and this 8 also cancelled one time, so minus minus plus 1. Minus 1 plus 1 cancelled, so finally we have got the value is 0. This is the required value of given. Question number 6, part third, last part. 5y plus 15 upon y into 25y square minus 75 plus 25 upon y square. We have to find out its value, so we can write this, which is equal to 5y plus 15 upon y. In second bracket, this 25y square can be written 5y whole square minus this 75 can be written 5y into 15 upon y. This y will be cancelled, 15 5 is 75, and plus 225 upon y square can be written 15 upon y whole square. Now we can apply the identity. Since a cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. Here this is a plus b, a square minus ab plus b square. So we can write this a cube plus b cube. So a is equal to 5y whole cube plus b is equal to 15 upon y whole cube, which is equal to 5 5s are 25, 5s are 125 y cube plus 15 cube, 15 15 15 into 15 225 into 15, 15 5s are 75, 15 2s are 30 plus 7 37, 15 2s are 30 plus 3 33, 3375, 3375. This is 15 cube upon y cube. Now we can substitute the value of x and y here. Only put x is equal to minus 2 and y is equal to 1 given. Put x is equal to minus 2 and y is equal to 1. Here no x, so just substitute the value of y only. 125 y cube 1 cube plus 3375 upon 1 cube. Simplify this. 125 into 1 cube 1 plus 3375 1 cube 1, which is equal to 125 into 1 125 plus 3375. Add this to 5 plus 5 10, 7 plus 2 9 1 10, where your 1 3 1 4 1 5, and this 3 as it is. 3500 or 3500 is the required value of given. So all the questions of this exercise we have solved. So I think it's enough for today. New exercise we will start in new class. Okay, bye.